What the hell? Looks like we got something going on up in that cloud there.
For sure, 2517. You got 30 minutes. Yeah, National Grid.
Medic 81, 200 Melbourne Road, requesting transport. Medic 81, 200 Melbourne Road, transport 1655.
Five. I'm going to that different time.
Dear Counties, at 4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, another round of heavy rain is moving into the warned area. 1 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen, with an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain possible on saturated ground. Locations in the warning include, but they're not limited to, Pittsfield, Hancock, Cheshire, and New Lebanon.
We're not out of the
Runoff
woods.
from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses. Additionally,